Okay, geometry, let's go over our test, number 5. It's basically the Unit 11 test. So this is a trapezoid. It asks the area. So first thing we do is go to the formula sheet and we write down the formula. Area equals 1/2 the height, base 1 plus base 2. So now, all we're doing is plugging in values. The height is 5, base 1 and base 2, interchangeable, doesn't matter which is which. Okay, so you throw that in your calculator, make sure you do order of operations properly, and you should get area equals exactly 24.5. It does say round your answer to the nearest tenth. Okay, this is the tenths place, this 5, so we don't have to do any rounding because it's an exact answer, and type it in the box. This test is checking to make sure you can round as well. What is the area of the parallelogram? It's the base times the height. So that is just 9 times 7, so that is 63. And it's already got the units written for you, so you're typing in 63. Number 3, what is the area of the triangle? Area equals 1/2 base times the height. Area equals 1/2 base times the height. And take out your calculator. You do that, you should get exactly 48. Type it in the box. Number 4, what's the arc length? Okay, so they're asking for this measure, and it's actually not in degrees. It's going to be length, so it's going to be part of the circumference. So 75 is part of the entire circle degrees, which is 360. And part of the circumference is, we don't know, we're trying to find it, out of the entire circumference is 2 pi r. In this case, r is 11. So then we just take out our calculator and we cross multiply. We do 75 times 2 times pi times 11 equals 360x, and then we divide both sides by 360. So when you take your calculator out and you do all of this, you should get 14.39, but the directions say to round to the nearest tenth, which is this 3. So you have to look at the number after it and decide 5 or above, give it a shove, 4 or below, let it go. So it is definitely give it a shove, so that moves it up to 14.4. You got to make sure you know how to round. Number 5, the area of the sector. Okay, that's the area of this whole space here. Well, that is 315 out of the entire circle, which is 360, equals that area out of the total area of the circle, which is pi r squared. In this case, r is 10. So then we just multiply, cross multiply. 315 times pi times 10 squared equals 360x. Divide both sides by 360. And if you put that in your calculator and you do it properly, you should get x equals 274.889. And then it says round to the nearest whole number. The nearest whole number is 275, because this is the last whole number, 274.8. We need the nearest whole number. That's 275. Number 6, the area of a kite is 1/2 distance 1 times distance 2. So area equals 1/2. 15 times 42. You take out your calculator and you should get exactly 315, and that's inches squared. Number 7, find the base and the area of the triangle are shown. Okay, solve for the height. So we're just going to plug in to this formula, 1/2 base times the height. The area equals 1/2 the base, which we know is 5.7, times the height, which we don't know. So multiply both sides by 2. That's a 20.2, not a 20 times 2. And then divide both sides by 5.7. And you should get, what's number 7? Oh, h equals 7.087. And we're rounding to the nearest hundredths place, which is right here. So this 7 determines that we move the 8 up. So that's 7.09 yards. And it's yards, not yards squared, because the answer is a length, not an area. Number 8, the area of the triangle is just 10 times 5, so that is 50. The rectangle. The area of the triangle, you are going to have to find using Pythagorean theorem. C squared equals 5 squared. No. Let me write the formula first. A squared plus B squared. Plug in 13 for C. I'll put, for A, I'll put in 5, because you can put 5 in for A or for B. Okay, so this is 169 equals 25 plus b squared, when you subtract 25 from both sides, you end up getting 144. The square root of that is 12. So that length is 12. Well, now that we have that, we can find the area of this triangle, because it's just area equals 1/2 the base times the height. So 12 times 5 is 60, and half of that is 30. So the area of the triangle is 30, so the total area is 30 plus 50, and that's 80 meters squared. And that is all, folks. Peace out.